Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dance pole is probably one of the most empowering fitness tools for plus-size individuals. It's a fantastic way to build strength, boost confidence, and express yourself creatively. But with so many options available, finding the perfect dance pole can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive into the essential factors to consider when choosing a dance pole that's right for you, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. Number 5. Yaheetech 45mm Dance Pole Kit. This professional dance pole is made from heavy-duty steel with a chrome finish. It provides a regular grip and is built for high strength and durability. The solid threaded connections ensure it's stable during your routines. The dance pole offers both spinning and static modes. The static mode is perfect for building strength and practicing moves. When you're ready, the spinning mode adds a graceful flow to your performance. This dance pole is super easy to assemble and disassemble. You can break it down into pieces for easy moving and storage. There are no complicated bolts, screws, or drilling required. The top and base domes are wrapped with silicone rubber. This protects your ceiling and floor from marks. The silicone rubber also adds extra friction, making the setup even more stable. Remember to use the product in a dry environment. After use, wipe off any sweat with a dry cloth to keep it dry and prevent rust. This will help maintain its quality. What we like. This pole offers both spinning and static modes, catering to all skill levels. It's also incredibly easy to set up and take down, making it perfect for those with limited space or who like to move their workout. If you're looking for versatility and convenience, this is the pole for you. What people say. It's really great quality, and good design for renters as it's easy to break down for storage, and similar to the pole I see in class settings. It is definitely stable and holds up well as long as you have it fully straight and not leaning, because then it runs the risk of falling. The spinning and static modes work smoothly and the adjustability is within the 2 screws on the bottom. Honestly surprised at how well this product is made and how sturdy it is. So far I've had no issues and I've had it up for about 2 weeks. I also installed it onto stipple ceiling with carpet floor and no issues. Number 4. SereneLife 45mm Portable Spinning Dance Pole. This is the SereneLife spinning dance pole, designed for fitness enthusiasts. It's perfect for home, club, gym, or any party. It's a great way to add fun to your workout. The pole's height is easily adjustable from 82 to 108 inches, fitting various ceiling heights. The seamless connections ensure stability during spins and routines. This feature makes it versatile for different spaces. Crafted from high-quality steel with an anti-rust finish, this pole is built to last. It can support up to 1,102 pounds vertically and 617 pounds horizontally. You can be confident in its durability. This pole is quick to install and disassemble, making it easy to save space. It includes all the necessary components for a convenient setup and storage. It's designed for your convenience. Silicone rings at the bottom of the dome and base plate prevent floor damage and provide extra grip. These features ensure secure workouts. It's designed with your safety in mind. The package includes everything you need: base, top dome, extension poles, Allen key, screws, and gloves. It provides everything for immediate setup and use. Get ready to start your workout right away. What we like. With its adjustable height, this pole fits a variety of spaces. The durable steel construction ensures it can handle intense workouts. Moreover, the silicone rings protect your floors and provide extra grip. If you are looking for a safe and adaptable pole, this one is a great choice. What people say. Been using this pole for about half a year somewhat consistently and it stood up well. I am a bigger girl, size 14 and over 200 pounds, and this holds. There's a spin and static mode which is easy changed. Number 3. VIVOHOME 45mm Portable Dance Pole for Home Fitness. This dance pole is made of premium chrome steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. The seamless surface is smooth, preventing scratches during use. It's designed for your daily workouts. With a 45mm diameter, this pole can hold up to 440 pounds. This provides a safe and secure experience, easily supporting the weight of 2 adults. It's built to last and keep you safe. The pole features a threaded rod for easy height adjustment. You can extend or contract it to fit any space, and it comes with extension poles. This allows you to customize it for your needs. It offers 2 modes, static and spinning. You can easily switch between them using a hex key. Choose the style that best suits your workout preferences. This pole is perfect for dancers, athletes, and anyone looking for a workout. It's great for various locations, including gyms, yoga rooms, bars, clubs, or your own home. What we like. This pole is made of premium chrome steel and has a great loading capacity, ensuring safety during your routines. It also offers both static and spinning modes to meet your different needs. If you are a beginner or a professional, this pole is a great choice. What people say. The pole feels incredibly sturdy and secure, giving me the confidence to perform and practice without worrying about safety. It is very sturdy, the spin is wonderful, and everyone in my household has found a way to put it to good use, lol. The pole was easy to install. You just have to know how to follow directions. It is sturdy and well worth the price. Number 2. SereneLife 45mm Portable Spinning Dance Pole. This pole is built with rust-resistant chromium steel, ensuring it's durable and long-lasting. Remember to avoid lotions or oils before use to maintain a good grip. Using grip gloves can further enhance your hold and protect your hands. Easily switch between static and spinning modes by adjusting the base nut. This feature is perfect for beginners who are building strength, as well as advanced users who want to perform dynamic movements. No drilling is required, and this pole assembles and disassembles quickly. This makes it easy to move and use in various locations. All the necessary tools and components are included for a secure setup. The pole features a built-in threaded rod and extension poles, allowing the height to be adjusted from 82 to 108 inches. This makes it suitable for different ceiling heights, whether you're using it at home, in a gym, or in a studio. This pole is perfect for home gyms, studios, or clubs. It supports exercises that enhance strength and flexibility, promoting an active lifestyle for both beginners and professionals. It's a great way to stay fit and have fun. What we like. This pole is built with rust-resistant chromium steel, ensuring durability. It easily switches between static and spinning modes, perfect for all levels. It also features an adjustable height to fit various spaces. If you're looking for a versatile and durable pole, consider this one. What people say. It remains secure like a true champion. The swift setup and disassembly make it very convenient. The pole feels sturdy, made with heavy gauge metal. The additional lag bolt installation makes it feel super secure. I like that this pole has both stationary and rotating options and can be swapped easily. Number 1. ProFit 45mm Portable Spinning Dance Pole. Introducing the ProFit 45mm Dance Pole. It's a professional quality chrome dance pole designed for both beginners and experienced dancers. This pole is perfect for practicing your moves at home. This 45mm diameter pole is built to last. It provides a secure and stable platform for all your dance routines. You'll feel confident and supported while using it. Setting up this dance pole is a breeze. It fits ceiling heights from 7 feet 6 inches to 9 foot. No tools or ladders are required for assembly or takedown. The included carry bag makes it easy to transport. Take it with you wherever you go. It's perfect for dance studios or home use. This dance pole supports weights up to 250 pounds. It's a safe and reliable choice for dancers of various sizes. Enjoy your dance with confidence. Enhance your dance experience with the included LED dance pole light. It creates a vibrant and exciting atmosphere. This feature will elevate your performance. What we like. This pole is professional quality and comes with a carry bag and LED dance pole light. It is easy to assemble and take down without any tools. If you are looking for a professional quality pole with extra features, this is the one for you. What people say. The directions for setting up the pole is clear and concise. I tested the pole by simply doing a walk around holding on to the pole, leaning my weight away. Didn't want to spin on it yet. It was really sturdy. Then I tested it again by doing a Fireman W attitude spin, and didn't move at all. So now I feel safe doing spins and any crazy tricks or move. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.